Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up lead tracking using Zoho CRM for career growth. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM website. Log into your Zoho CRM account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Settings to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Automation. In the Automation section, find and click on Workflow Rules. Now, click on the Create Rule button. Choose the module where you want to track leads, typically leads. Name your workflow rule, for example, lead tracking for career growth. Set the criteria for the rule based on your lead tracking needs. Define when the rule should trigger, such as when a lead is created. Next, specify the actions to take once the rule is triggered. You can choose to send an email notification or update lead status. After defining the actions, click on the Save button to finalize the workflow rule. Return to the dashboard and access the Leads module to start tracking. To manage your leads effectively, utilize custom fields. Click on Settings again and select Modules and Fields from the drop-down. Choose the Leads module and then Layouts. Add custom fields that pertain to your career growth tracking, such as job role or industry. Save your changes to the lead layout. To analyze lead data, navigate to the Reports section in the main menu. Create a new report by selecting Create Report. Choose the Leads module and define the data you want to analyze. Select relevant metrics like lead source or conversion rate. Once configured, click Run Report to view your data. For continuous improvement, regularly update your workflow rules based on insights gained. Monitor the performance of leads over time through your reports. Use these insights to adjust your strategy and enhance career growth opportunities. By setting up systemic lead tracking, you'll position yourself for better career decisions. Ensure you revisit your configurations regularly to stay aligned with your evolving goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.